Throughout this week, I've been offering brief reflections on the readings for this week that have to do with certain things that we need to help us along the journey of life and also our journey of faith. Today's first reading from the Acts of the Apostles talks about the engagement, the confrontation between the Ethiopian eunuch and the disciple, the apostle Philip. And in this reading, Philip encounters the eunuch and reveals to him the scriptures. And the eunuch is so taken by what Philip has to say that he says, "Look, there's water. What is to prevent my being baptized?" And so he was baptized. We know how important water is for our survival. We need water for drinking to slake our thirst. We need water so that the plants all around us can grow. We need water so that we can keep clean. And so water is essential for our lives, our everyday lives. But the waters of baptism are equally essential. The waters of baptism are essential for our faith life. Because of the waters of baptism, we bring life, new life to our spirit. The waters of baptism cleanse us through forgiveness. The waters of baptism slake our spiritual thirst. So I ask us to reflect today not only upon the many needs that water helps us meet in our everyday lives, but also to reflect upon the waters of baptism that slake our thirst, that cleanse us, and that bring us life.